right, hey everyone. It's been quite some time since I've done my last special effects makeup video, and tonight I'm going to be playing with a little bit of face paint, which I haven't really messed with too much in videos in the past. And I'm excited for this one because we're going to be doing The Crow. So we're going to channel our inner ericdraven and see what we can come up with. All right, so right now I'm going to go cleanse my face, add some moisturizer, let that dry, and then I'll be back to start the makeup. And a quick shout out to all my supporters. Thank you so much. All right, we are all moisturized and dried and ready to go. We are going to start with this Clown White CCbeauty cream face paint that I picked up online. And I am going to start with my brush here. Just kind of get it all over and just start applying. And I'm gonna have to grab my mirror. I was gonna try to do it in the camera, but it's a little farther, and I don't have glasses on right now, so can't really see what I'm doing. All right, so we're just gonna put this all over. And then I'll take my sponge and blend it in a little bit as well. Get rid of the streakiness. Not too worried about getting around my eyes just because we're doing black there. If I get it there, we're covering it with black, so it doesn't matter. Paint my nose ring too. Good times. All right. Right, cold cream on my face. Not eczema back in the freaking 80s. So I'm pretty excited to do this makeup. I've been a fan of The Crow since I first saw it many moons ago. Great movie. Very sad, Brandon Lee. Damn shame. Wish I had a bigger brush here. Let's go a little bit faster, but we're making it work. So this face paint was relatively cheap on Amazon. It's just something to play around with and use for Halloween or videos. So you want to be the Crow for Halloween, should be sick. And I got this stuff on Amazon. I think it was set is white and black, and I believe there's some red in there for like 10 bucks. It's like clown makeup. So it came with a big red nose, which I'll be using for another makeup here soon. So stay tuned for that. Okay. And it comes with a set of brushes too, which I'm using. Like I said, I haven't worked a lot with face paint, so we're just testing this out here. All right, we're very streaky. So take my little sponge here and just kind of blend it a little bit. It's way better. Good look for me. Go be a mime. Get my hair in there, that's fine. Some white streaks in my hair. All right, so we got the white on. Oh, that's such a good look. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll get to the black. So sit tight. Okay, now we got that ready to go. We're gonna start with our black around the eyes. So I'm just gonna take my brush here, mix it in the black. Got my mirror again. And I'm just gonna go up into the eyebrow. And blend my eyebrow into that. And go down. And black out the top lid. I'm going to use black shadow to fill out the edges. So I don't want to smear the face paint too much. Kind of as much as I can right there. I just want to go along the bottom. I don't want to go too deep. Too wide, I should say. Forgive the facial expressions. Oop. Okay. So, nice look there. Like a gothic Tammy Faye Baker. Sorry, I'm very squeaky. Stool I'm sitting on. I'm just gonna do the same over here. Get some more paint on that. Alright. Hard to talk and do this at the same time. Concentration. There are frogs outside, that's terrifying. I do not like frogs. I just poked myself in the eye. No! That happens more than I'd like to admit. Okay, go smooth that around the bottom there. Don't want to go too wide, like I said on the last eye. Then I can fix any kind of smudging that happens. Or make the smudging work, because eventually he does get wet and kind of, so you can make it work to your advantage. It's awesome. Alright, so we got that. Oof. So now I'm going to take my black eyeshadow, somehow I'm going to hold all this in my lap. Take another brush here, and then I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit. Kind of soften up the edges a little bit too. Too wide, but we can take our white and go over that. Not a big deal. I want to get it by the lashes too. Darken that out a little bit, and can you do the same over here? Round it out a little bit. Alright, so we got the black done. Need to fix that corner. My eyebrows higher than the other. What the frick? Fix that real quick. And we can always go over anything that you want to fix with the white once you are done there. So now, I don't know if I want to use my eyeshadow or face paint. Let me try the face paint because we're going to do our lines now, and then we'll do the mouth. Look over here, not here. I don't know why I keep looking over there. Alright, let's try this. See how well that does. I'm a very shaky individual, so I hate doing lines. So we'll see how this goes. All right. Let's do a small line. Bottom there. Do that on each side. I'm trying to open my eye up a little bit. This is the classic face for putting on mascara. Don't know why we do that and why you have to do it, but you have to open your mouth when you apply mascara. It's law. Okay. So we got our lines on the bottom, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the top. Trying to line it up. No, I'm too thick. Told you I'm very shaky when it comes to doing lines. But I can do my eyeliner fine. I don't know. I'm weird. Oop. Thick there. Too thick. But I think it works. Blend it in a little bit. Alright. Now for the lips. Why I said it like that, but here we are. Black lipstick. Fill in my lips. All right, go there. we're gonna do our lines going up on the mouth there, a little curve. So I can take the eyeshadow palette off my lap now. All right, so we're gonna take your same brush we used for our eye lines. I'm just gonna go in the corner. Hey. I'm excited. Alright, and then the same on the other side. Oh, gone. A little difficult. I'm gonna go a little darker on that. All right, I'm digging it. Oops. A little thicker apparently. I'm not a fan of that lipstick, so I'm just going to use the face paint. Go over. I like that a lot better. All right. Let's go. Take off some of that excess there. There you have it. We got our makeup portion done. I'm gonna do a couple more things off camera here and I'll be back with the final reveal. Sit tight. All right, there you have the Crow, Eric Draven inspired makeup. Pretty simple, affordable, and I'm sure everybody has a long sleeve black shirt in their closet. Be great for Halloween or night out on the town, depending on what you like to do out there. I need to avenge anybody's death. There you go. Only kidding. Don't condone it. Don't recommend it. All right, guys. If you enjoy what you see here and want more, drop in the comments what you'd like to see. Also, you can get me on Patreon, YouTube memberships, super thanks, a lot of stuff going on. I even have merchandise out now too, and you can find all those links in the description. I appreciate all your support. Keeping this channel afloat, having a lot of fun with this. So, all right, guys, until next time, have a very spooky night.